What's up guys, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is the first time you guys are here. If you are here, please make sure you are subscribed and that you turn that notification bell on so you know when a video goes live. All right, I'm just gonna get real for a second. I'm clearly in a sweatshirt by Shop Good to Be, which I love. It's Alex Garza's brand. And I have a top knot in, I have minimal makeup on. It's just been one of those weeks, guys. We had the stomach bug going around our house and I am just recovering, and this is actually going up a day late because usually, you guys know, I post videos on Thursdays. It is Friday and I'm just filming, and I hope that I can get through this today to film and edit and post and do all that for you guys. But man, this week really kicked my ass. My house looks like a complete tornado went through it. It is so out of sorts and it's driving me insane. But we're gonna get through this video. This is gonna be a quick one. It's just gonna be a Target haul of some like random things that I picked up yesterday morning on our first day outside of the house in like almost a week. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through these quickly. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. You ready? Ryan and I are headed into Target. We've not been out really in the last couple days because we had the stomach bug going on in our house. So we're going into Target. Ryan's excited. All right, so first things first, I was in need of a new shampoo and conditioner, and as you can tell, I haven't washed my hair in a couple days, but I'm trying out this Love Beauty and Planet brand at Target. They have a ton of products at Target, and you know, they have organic coconut oil in this. They have, it's vegan, it's plant-based, not tested on animals, has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, and no guilt. So I'm really just wanting to kind of clean up my beauty routine, clean up a lot of the products that I have, which I've started to slowly but surely do, but this is just another way to do that. And this is the Blooming Color. It has muro butter and rose. So I'm gonna try this out. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and if all goes well, it might be in my empties video next month because I'm definitely gonna be doing more of those. You guys seem to really like that. And then keeping with the clean theme, this is the brand Raw Sugar, and this is a body lotion. They have no sulfates or parabens, and it also has green tea, cucumber, and aloe vera in it. They had a couple different types that you could get. I think there was another one that had like lemon in it, but I went for this one. And what I love about this is that it says for every product you buy, they donate a bar of soap to a family in need. So I think that's amazing. Any product that gives back is a product for me. I think that's just amazing, and I love when brands do that. And yeah, this is also 25% post-recycled plastic. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's just has a lot of great things. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. It smells really good, but I haven't tried it yet. And I also needed another hand soap for our guest bathroom, so I got the Mrs. Meyer's. This is the honeysuckle scent. You guys know I loved their snowdrop scent at Christmas time, so I'm excited. This one smells really good too, so I'm just gonna have this in our guest bathroom. I also picked up my favorite makeup wipes. These are these simple micellar cleansing wipes. These are like my go-to cleansing wipes. I love to keep these by my bedside just because sometimes I'm just feeling a little lazy and don't feel like taking my makeup off and like washing my face and everything. So I do definitely just use a makeup wipe sometimes. And I know people might think that's just totally crazy, but it's what I do. It's what I gotta do. Mom life. And who am I kidding? I did that before I was a mom too. All right, next up, I got myself and Mark a new toothbrush. This is called the Click Manual Toothbrush from Oral-B. I obviously haven't used it yet. We have been using the Quip toothbrush, but for some reason, we just like we haven't gotten the refills and stuff. So I just wanted to try something new, and this is a lot cheaper. So I think I'm gonna see how this goes, and if I like it. You could also get interchangeable brush heads for this, but this one was only $14.99, and our Quip ones were like I want to say 60 for 2 of them. So I just feel like this might be a more affordable version. This was only $14.99 at Target. And to be honest, when I went to Target, I was going to see if they had the brush heads for our quips, and they were all sold out. So they had these in place of it. So I just said, all right, let's give it a try. We'll see how it goes. And then lastly, I like cannot go into Target without getting a kid's book. And since it's Valentine's Day coming up, this is Happy Valentine's Day Mouse. And I like honestly just, I love reading children's books. I think it's such a fun activity to do with Ryan. And I love when we get new ones that I don't remember from being a kid or that I've never read before. So this was actually on sale. It was like only 90 cents off, but still, it was $7.99. I got it for like $7.09. But anyway, I'm really excited. This is like the, if you give a mouse a cookie or if you bring a mouse to school, this is that same author. So I'm really excited to read this with Ryan. He loves books. He loves reading. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I'm also always trying to grow Ryan's book collection and for future children as well. At my baby shower, we did the thing where instead of bringing a card, you bring a book and you write inside of it a little message to baby Burns, which we didn't know was going to be named Ryan. So all of his books are really sweet. They have like a little message, and when we read the book, we always read who it's from first, and you know, if they wrote a cute little message to Ryan. So that's really sweet and a really neat thing to do at a baby shower if you guys never heard of that before. But I like to, around the holidays, whatever holiday it is, get books that are related to that holiday. And I've seen a bunch of Instagrammers, specifically this one, Jordan & Co. She does a book nook and she themes it every holiday that's coming up or every season. And I love that. I think it's really cute. So she changes out the books whenever it's time for a new season or a new holiday. And I think that's really, really cute. So we try to do that too. So we're trying to build up our Valentine's Day one. Christmas is obviously my favorite, and we have tons of Christmas books. But yeah, each holiday I'm going to try to build up his little book collection. All right, guys, that was really short and sweet. I know I'm really struggling today. It's been a long week. I hope you guys can bear with me. Sorry that this is going up a little late, but just had to, you know, lay on the couch all day yesterday. The other thing is I haven't been able to have caffeine. Like I've been having really bad headaches since I had the stomach bug, and I just can't have caffeine. So that's also really, really bringing me down. But anyway, hopefully next week will be a better week. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you're really excited about the Super Bowl this weekend. But yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later. Have a great week. Bye.